What's up, YouTube? We back busting down a manual trans. Check it out. Okay, you guys, we taking off this top plate, which is what's the name of that top plate? Let's go back to another page. This top plate is 38 case cover. Taking off this case cover so we can get down inside the transmission. Shimmer remove the retaining ring number 39, which is right underneath there. That's the retaining ring right there. Pop it off now. The screen black. These guys out there. Check them out. They want to know if we recording or not. Say hello to YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
This is the famous soccer guy right here at Rockvalley College.
Famous or retired?
Yeah. This is Snap-on guy right here.
I don't know. Ours is different. Ours had a retainer. You guys heard that one?
Yeah, we took it out.
Oh, you popped this out. How did you do it?
No, you did.
No. I popped this out, yeah. but you actually got the gears.
Oh.
You gotta get this out first. You gotta lift it up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
The race
okay.
comes out a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, we gotta play with it a little bit.
Yeah. It was finicky. Yeah, that's literally how we did it. Like, it just all came apart on us for a second.
Ours didn't have this shit though. This fucking gear.
There we go.
Let's see what John says. You gotta hit it a little harder than that, man.